Jai Sriman Narayana. 37th sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Hato va prapsyase swargam jitva va bhokshyase mahim तस्मात् उत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः Om. If you perform your duties in a righteous way, even if you lose it, you will still be happy. If you win, you will enjoy. Therefore, resolve to do your duties in a righteous way. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option for every one of us, asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Sriman Narayana, I shall constantly be strong in perform my duties in a righteous way. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Prushadra, instead of tiger, he killed one cow. Early in the morning he went there, he recognized, he noticed that he killed cow and he started crying a lot. But even though without knowing he did that, Govadha, killing a cow, is such a huge sin. That is why Nakshatra Bandhuhu Sudrastvam Karmana Bhavita Muna. Vasishta Maharshi gave a curse to Prushadra, saying that in your next birth you will be born as a Sudra. Prushadra accepted that curse and he started controlling his senses, organs. Vasudeve Bhagavati Sarvatmani Pare Amale. He started cultivating a peace of mind, and with focused mind on Sriman Narayana, while having a great compassion towards all the entities, he did Bhagavad Upasana. He meditated upon Sriman Narayana. He was not having any conscience towards these mundane things. He was wandering just like a blind just like a deaf and dumb. While he was wandering here and there in that process, he got into one park. By then that park was getting so much burnt by the fire. So he was also burnt in that same fire. Finally, Brahma Prapa Param Munihi, that Prashadra attained Paramapadam. Then Vaivasvata Manus, out of 10 sons, the youngest son, his name is Kavi. He also has no mundane desires at all from the childhood. So he also left the kingdom. He did meditate upon Sriman Narayana, and he also attained Paramapadam. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasyatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 37th sloka. Hato va prapsyasi svargam. Jitva va bhokshyase mahim. Tasmaduttishta kaunteya. Yuddhaya krutanishchayaha. Hato va prapsyasi svargam. Jitva va bhokshyase mahim. Tasmaduttishta kaunteya. Yuddhaya krutanishchayaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.